Vertical line test. A curve drawn in a graph represents a function if every vertical line intersects the curve in at most one point. Example number 1.10. Using vertical line test, determine which of the following curve represent a function. Here three graphs are given. First graph, a curve is drawn. A vertical line is drawn through the curve. It meets 2 points P and Q. So it is not a function. Here, a curve is drawn. A vertical line is drawn through the curve. It meets only one point. It is a function. Here, a curve is drawn. A vertical line is through the curve. It meets P and Q, 2 points. It is not also a function. Any equation represented in a graph is usually called a curve. Exercise 1.4. First sum. Determine whether the graph given below represents a function. Give reason or your answer concerning each graph. Exercise 1.4. First sum. A vertical line. It meets 2 points P and Q. So it is not a function. The vertical line meets 2 points P and Q to the curve. So it is not a function. A vertical line is drawn. It made only 1 point. So it is a function. The vertical line meets only 1 point P. It is a function. Third one. A line is drawn, vertical line is drawn. It meets P, Q, R. The vertical line meets 3 points on the curve. So it is not a function. Fourth one. A line is drawn. It made only 1 point. Line made only 1 point on the curve. So it is a function. Types of function. In this section we will discuss the following types of function with suitable examples. 1-to-1, many-to-one, on-to and into. 1-to-1 function. A function f from a to b is called 1-to-1 function if distinct element of a have distinct image in b. See the arrow diagram. Here two sets a relation is given. In the first set, all the elements have an image in second set. In second set, some of the elements have an image in A. It is one-to-one function. A one-to-one function is also called an injection. Simply say as, if for all A1, A2 belongs to A, f of A1 is equal to f of A2 implies A1 is equal to A2, then f is called one-one function. Here, A is a set 1, 2, 3, 4. B is a set having element A, B, C, D, E. A function 1A, 2B, 3D, 4, C. Represent this function in arrow diagram. See this. All the elements in A have an image in B. Also, some of the elements in B have only one image in A. So, it is a one-one function. Here, second example. G is a function. 1, B, 2, B, 3, C, 4, E. Here, see the arrow diagram. All the elements in A have an image in B. But in set B, B has two pre-images. So, it is not a one-one function, but it is a function. Many to one function. See the arrow diagram. The first set person, second set film. Here, person 1, person 4, person 6 have an image F1, the same image. 3 elements in first set have the same image in second set, and also B2, B3 have the same image F3 in second set. B3 and B7 have the same image F2. Many elements have the same image in the second set. So, it is many to one function. A function F from A to B is called many to one function if two or more elements of A have same image in B. In other way, a function F from A to B is called many to one if F is not one to one. For example, A, the set having element 1, 2, 3, 4. B is the set having element A, B, C. Function 1A, 2A, 3B, 4C. Here 1 and 2 have the same image A. So it is many to one function. On to function. A function F from A to B is said to be on to function if the range of F is equal to codomain of F. Say this arrow diagram. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 are the elements in the first set. P1, P2, P3 are the elements in second set. In the second set element have pre-image set 1. So it's called as one onto function. It's called as onto function. So the codomain and range are equal. That is called onto function. In other way, every element in the codomain B has a pre-image in domain A. An onto function is also called as surjection. Note, if F from A to B is an onto function, then the range of F is B, the function. The set of element in B or the range. Element X, Y, Y, Z. B and element L, M, N. See the arrow diagram. All the element in B get an pre-image in A. So it is onto function. The range and codomain are equal. Into function. See this arrow diagram. Here, first set having 3 elements. In the second have 4 elements. All the elements in first set have an image in B. Second set. In the second set, one of the element is not an pre-image in A. It is called into function. A function f from A to B is called an into function if there exists at least one element in B which is not the image of any element in A. That is, the range of f is a proper subset of codomain of f. In other words, a function f from A to B is called into if it is not onto. A is a set of having element 1, 2, 3. Set B is a set of element having w, x, y, z. Function 1w, 2z, 3x. Here 4 elements are there, but here 3 set of order pairs. And left y. Y not an pre-image. The range is w, x, z. Y left out. So it is into function. Therefore, f is into function. Note, y belongs to B is not an image of any element in A. That it is called into function. If a function from A to B is both 1 to 1 and on to, then f is called a bijection from A to B. Yeah. All the element of A is an image in B. All element of B as a pre-image in A. It is 1 to 1 function. Also onto function. It is says 1 to 1 onto function. Note, a 1 to 1 and onto function is also called a 1-1 correspondence.